This distance time graph question looks straightforward, but it is not. You will lose marks if you do not focus on the given information. Draw the graph after you find the distance in each case. Also, do not ignore the rest time. Pause the video and try it out. Watch the whole walkthrough video to solve with me. This is paper 2 from May-June 2022. Let us start.
Question number 1. At noon, the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. At midnight, the temperature is -9 degrees Celsius. Work out the difference in temperature between noon and midnight. The difference in temperatures, you take the temperature at the noon and subtract from it the temperature at midnight. So you will have to do 4 plus 9, which is 13 degrees Celsius. So this is the difference of the temperatures. Question number 2. Thibault records the number of cars of each color in a car park. Color are black, white, silver and red. Number of cars are 8 black color, white, 8 are black color, white, 5 are white color, 4 are silver color, 3 are red color. He draws a pie chart to show this information. Calculate the sector angle for the red cars. So we have to just find out here the sector angle. Don't start drawing the pie chart. So sector angle, how will you find out? Take the number of red cars, add all the number of cars given in given for the different colors. So you'll add 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 20 cars altogether. So 3 out of 20 are red color multiplied by 360 degrees, because in a pie chart the total angle is 360 degrees. So just do this calculation. 3 by 20 multiplied by 360 is 54. So 54 degrees is the angle of sector which is asked. Question 3. Figs cost 43 cents each. Lyra has $5 to buy some figs. Calculate the largest number of figs Lyra can buy and the amount of change in cents she receives. So to find out the number of figs she buys from $5, convert this $5 into cents. So $5 is 500 cents. Then divide 500 cents with 43 cents. 500 divided by 43. Just do that. We get 11.627. So now 11 is the whole number part. So 11 figs can be bought. Now when you buy 11 figs using 43 cents, 43 into 11, how much amount is spent? 473. So 500 minus 473 is 27 cents he gets back. 27 cents she gets back. So number of figs is 11 figs and 27 cents change she gets back. Question number 4. Find the value of root 68 into root 153. Just put this in calculator. Root 68 into root 153. 102. Question 5. Find the total surface area of a cuboid with length 8 cm, width 6 cm and height 3 cm. So total surface area formula you write down. Total surface area of a cuboid 2 multiplied by length into width plus width into height plus length into height. So 2 into 8 into 6 plus 6 into 3 plus 8 into 3. Do it. 2 into 8 into 6 plus 6 into 3 plus 8 into 3. 180. 180 centimeter square, because it is area. Question 6. Some cards have either a square, a circle or a triangle drawn on them. There are some cards on which three shapes are drawn. Piet chooses one of the cards at random. Complete the table to show probability of choosing a card with each shape. So here the shapes are given in one of the rows and probability is given under it. Triangle probability is not there, missing, find out that. So what we have to do is just subtract from whole 1 the sum of the given probabilities. Do it. 1 minus 0.2 plus 0.32 is 0.48. So it is 0.48, the missing probability. Question number 7. The price of a coat is $126. In a sale, this price is reduced by 18%. Find the sale price of the coat. So the percentage is reduced, so you have to do 100 minus 18. See how much it is. 100 and minus 18 is 82. So that means 82% of this $126 will be the answer here. So 82 by 100 you have to multiply with 126. Do it. 103.32. This is the amount of the reduced thing here. Question number 8. The nth term of a sequence is n square plus 12. Find the first three terms of this sequence. So just take n is equal to 1, you will get the first term. 1 square plus 12 is 1 plus 12 is 13. This is first term. Then n is equal to 2, you take 2 square plus 12, that is 4 plus 12, that is 16. Second term is 16. When n is equal to 3, 3 square plus 12 is 9 plus 12, that is 21. Question number 9. The bearing of B from A is 0.59 degrees. The bearing of B from A is 59. This is 0.59. Work out the bearing of A from B. So to work out the bearing of A from B, we'll have to draw a north line from B here. Then these two north lines are parallel. So when this is 0.59, this is 180 minus 0.59. Okay. So this remaining angle will be the bearing of A from B. Okay. So first to do 180 minus 0.59. 121. So this is 121. Now this angle, this bearing from A to B, bearing of A from B will be 360 minus 121. Find out. 239. So the answer is 239. Question number 10. P is equal to vector 2 8, vector P is 2 8, vector Q is minus 1 and 4. Question A, find P minus Q. So find out P minus Q. P is 2 8 minus 1 4, that will be equal to 2 minus of minus 1 and 8 minus 4. This will be 2 plus 1, minus of minus is plus. So 3, 8 minus 4 is 4. 3, 4 is the answer. 6P, 6 multiplied by 2, 8. So 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. So 1248 is the answer. Next, find the magnitude of P minus Q. Magnitude of P minus Q will be, you know already P minus Q is 3 4. So square root of 3 square plus 4 square. that will be square root of 9 plus 16, that will be square root of 25, which is 5. Magnitude of vector is always positive. Question number 11. Find the value of p when 6 raised to p into 6 raised to 4 is equal to 6 raised to 28. 6 raised to p into 6 raised to 4 is equal to 6 raised to 28. Here bases are same, these base 2 are same and it is multiplied, so you will have to add the powers taking one base. Using the rule a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 6 raised to p plus 4 is equal to 6 raised to 28. So when the bases are same, exponents also will be equal. So p plus 4 will be 28. Solving for p, if you bring 4 onto the right hand side, it is subtracted. So p value is 24. Question 12. Annette cycles a distance of 70 kilometers from Midville to Newtown. Leaving Midville, she cycles for 1 hour 30 minutes at a constant speed of 20 kilometers per hour, and then she stops for 30 minutes. She then continues the journey to Newtown at a constant speed of 16 kilometers per hour. So your total distance is given to us, but the two different speeds are given. This is first, she is uh, cycling for 1 hour 30 minutes for 20 kilometers per hour. So how much distance she traveled, we will find out. So speed is given to us 20 kilometers per hour, and time is given, which is 1 hour 30 minutes, which is 1.5 hours. So distance will be, if the speed is equal to distance divided by time, so distance will be speed multiplied by time. So 20 multiplied by 1.5, this will be 20 into 1.5, which is 30 kilometers. So she cycled for 30 kilometers as she started. So take your rulers and start from 0 and go up to 30. So where is 30? We will write down that first. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 70 also, let us write. Okay. So now take your rulers, draw from 0 to 30, and it has to go up to 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours is this, 1.5, 2.5. This is in between is all 0.5. So this line should go up to 1.5 till 30. This one. This will be the right way to draw the line. Then next it's given that she then stops for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes she rested. So rested will be always a horizontal line like this, and it has to be only 30 minutes. So 30 minutes gap will be from 1.5 to 2. Only till 2 you have to draw this horizontal line. Then she continues the journey at constant speed of 16 kilometers per hour. Now here you know the speed here. Then second case, you know the speed, which is 16 kilometers per hour, but distance you can find out by doing 70 minus 30. You don't know here the distance, you have to find out, that is 40 kilometers. Now we have to find out the time taken for this. So a time will be distance by speed. So 40 by 16. 40 divided by 16 is 2.5. So that means it is 2 hours 30 minutes. 2.5 hours was the time taken. So now from 2, if you now to complete the graph, you have to see that from 2 count 2.5 hours. So 2 to 3 is 1 hour, 3 to 4 is 1 more hour, 0.5 is 4.5. So till 4.5 your graph should continue and touch this. So just take your rulers and draw. This is the complete graph. For question A, sorry I forgot to read the question A. On the grid, sorry, On the grid, draw the distance time graph for the journey. So this is the distance time graph I have completed. Now calculate the average speed of the whole journey. Find out the average speed. So average speed is equal to total speed, which is 16 plus 20, total distance traveled, total distance. Let me write the formula first. Total distance by total time taken. So total distance will be 70 by time taken will be first 1.5 hour it was taken. So 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 2.5, 2.5. So it is 4, 70 by 4. Find out 70 by 4, 17.5. 17.5 kilometers per hour is the average speed. Question number 13. Without using a calculator, work out 4 1 by 8 minus 2 5 by 6. You must show all your working. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. Without using calculator, so find out 4 1 by 8, 2 5 by 6. Convert them into improper fractions. 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 by 8. Minus 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17 by 6. Find out the LCM of the denominators. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 as it is. 2 times 1, 3 as it is. And 3 times 1 and 1. LCM is completed. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So the denominator has to be 24 for both fractions. So if I do 8 multiplied by 3, I get 24. So numerator of this should be 33 multiplied by 3. And if I multiply 6 with 4, I get 24. So here I will multiply the numerator also with 4. So 33 into 3 is 99 by 24. 17 into 4 is 4 sevens are 28, 2 carried over, 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 68. So 68 by 24. Now do 99 minus 68. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3. You get 31 by 24. It's an improper fraction. So to get the mixed number, you will have to divide the numerator with denominator. 24 ones are 24. So 31 minus 12, 24 will be 11 minus 4, 7, 2 minus 2 is 0. So remainder is 7. So you will have to write here 1, 7 by 24. This is the answer. Question 14. Carlos invests $4,540 at a rate of R% per year, compound interest. At the end of 10 years, he has earned 1,328.54 in interest. Calculate the value of R. So using the compound interest formula, principal multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to 10, 10 years is the tenure, is 4,540 plus the interest which he got. Then to find R, now we have to bring all the known terms to the right hand side. So I'll bring 4,540 here, so it will be divided. Now there is a power of 10 on the left hand side, so we have to take 10th root on both sides. So when you take 10th root on left side, you will be only having 1 plus R by 100 on left side, but on the right side it will be complete of 10th root. So do this on calculator. 10th root of 4540 plus 1328.54 by 4540 is equal to 1.26000. So here 1 plus r by 100 we got as 1.26. Bring 1 on the right side. So r by 100 will be 1.26 minus 1. This gives you r by 100 is equal to 0.26. If I subtract 1 from 1.26, I will be left with 0.26. Then just r, if I find out, r is equal to 100 multiplied by 0.26 will be, oh sorry, this is 1.026, my mistake, 1.026. 1.026 minus 1, this will be r by 100 is equal to 0.026. So r will be, therefore r will be 0.026 into 100, which is point will be shifted 2 digits, right? So 2.6%. Question 15. Find the highest common factor of 12a cube b and 20a square b square. So factorize the each terms here, factorize into prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3, 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So that is a into a because it is a cube into b. If you cannot do mentally, you can do like this: 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. You can do the prime factorization in this way. Then 20 a square b square also same way. 20 prime factorize, you get 2 into 5 into a into b into b. Now look at the common numbers. 2 is common, a 2 a's are common, and 1 b is common. Just take those as HCF. HCF is equal to 2 into a into b, which is 4a square b. This is the answer. Question number 16. The Venn diagram shows the number of students in a class of 40 who study physics P, mathematics M, and geography G. So physics, mathematics, geography. Question A. Use set notation to describe the shaded region. So you have to describe this shaded region. So when you see this shaded region, it is completely, P is not included in it. P is not included, and M and G both are together. So it will be M union G intersection P complement, because the area which is excluded of P and which is M union G should be intersect. It should be common in but between those two. So that will be, this will be the answer. So M union G intersection P complement. Question B. Find n of P intersection G union M complement. Now here find out the numbers. P intersection G. P intersection G is this, these two numbers, 9 and 3. Union M complement. So M complement will be except M, except M, except M, and it is union. So it will be 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus, yeah, wait, let me shade this part. A P intersection G. P intersection G is this part, and M complement will be, let me change the color, M complement will be this part. So the whole shaded part you have to take. So shaded part, when you see the numbers, you will see 9, 3, 4, 6, 9, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, add them. 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6, because it is union. So 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 2, 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 is the answer. Question C. A student is chosen at random from those studying geography. Find the probability that this student also studies physics or mathematics but not both. So now the student is chosen at random, and it is from geography. So the number of students studying geography will be all these four numbers. You have to add 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 will be 14, 17 plus 6 is, let me do here it's calculator only, 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 is 23. Let me check the numbers again. Yeah, 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 is 23. Now out of this 23, the student should be studying either physics or chemistry. So the number of students who are studying physics and chemistry but not both are 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 will be 3 plus 5, which is 8. So that the probability will be 8 by 23. Question number 17. Sketch, question number 17a, sketch the graph of y is equal to sin x for 0 degrees less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360 degrees. So here you will have to use your rulers, students. Sorry. Yeah, take your rulers, draw a light line from 1 and minus 1 like this, horizontal line, so that you can mark the points to draw the graph. This is the lines. Draw straight lines, shouldn't cross. Now from 0 to 360, mark the middle number exactly as 180. Then 0 to 180, middle number is 90, and 180 to 360, the middle number is 270. Now sin 0 is 0, this will be 1 point, sin 0 0. Sin 90 will be 1, so exactly taking the ruler, exactly here you mark one more point. Then sin 180 will be 0 again. Then sin 270 will be minus 1. So again take your rulers, put the dashed line and put the point, and point sin 360 also mark as 0. Now use your pencils and use your pencils and draw the curve like this. Like this. Finished. This is the curve. Sketch the graph. Sketching the graph is done. Question number B. Solve the equation 3 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0 for 0 degrees less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360. Now taking this equation, find the value of x. Keep sin x, 3 sin x on the left hand side. You bring 1, you get minus 1. Then keep sin x and bring 3 onto the left hand side. It is minus 1 by 3. This again, if you take x, then it will be sine inverse of 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 cannot be taken because our values are from 0 to 360. Okay. Then we will see when sine value is negative using the mnemonic. So the mnemonic here used is all students take calculus. So here when you see sine is positive in first and second quadrant, so third and fourth quadrant it is negative. So third quadrant is 180 plus theta, fourth quadrant is 360 minus theta. Find out theta first, x value. So sine inverse of 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 is 19.471. So let us take 19.47. So x is equal to 19.47. This is theta value. So now find out 180 plus 19.47 and 360 minus 19.47. 180 plus 19.47, 199.47. This is one of the angle. Then 360 minus 360 minus 19.47 is 340.53. 340.53. These are the two values of x. Question number 18. A. Y is directly proportional to the cube root of x plus 1. When x is equal to 7, y is equal to 1. Find the value of y when x is equal to 121. So proportionality question. Y is directly proportional to the cube root of x plus 1. So this will be written as an equation using k as a constant multiplied by cube root of x plus 1. Now x and y values you will substitute. X is equal to 7, y is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to k multiplied by cube root of 7 plus 1. So 1 is equal to k into cube root of 8. This gives you k is equal to 1 by cube root of 8 is 1 by 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. So k value is 1 by 2. Now find out y is equal to 1 by 2 into cube root of 124 plus 1. So half into cube root of 125. This will be half into cube root of 125. You can check in the calculator, is 5. So half into 5 is 2.5. So answer is 2.5. Question number B. F is inversely proportional to the square of D. Explain what happens to F when D is halved. So F is inversely proportional to square of D. This is the proportionality. Now if I take a constant and write k by d square, so F is k by d square. Now let us do half of D. Half of D will be d by 2. So now put the same thing here, d by 2, k by d by 2 square is equal to k by d square by 4. So that will be k by 1 into 4 by d square, which is 4k by d square. So this is 4 multiplied by f. So for explain what happens to f, it will be multiplied by 4. This is the answer. Question number 19. A. Functions are given. F of x is 7x minus 8, g of x is 4 by x plus 5, h of x is 2 raised to x plus 1. Find f inverse of x. So f inverse of x is, let us take that as y. Let f of x be y. So 7x minus 8 is equal to y. Keeping isolating x, so first keep bring 8, so y plus 8 it will be. Then next keep x onto the left hand side and bring 7, so it will be y plus 8 by 7. So just replace for f inverse of x, replace y with x. F inverse of x is equal to x plus 8 by 7. Question number B, find the value of x when h of x is equal to g of 1 by 3. Okay, so to find out g of 1 by 3 first, 4 by 1 by 3 plus 5. So 4 is 4 by 1 into 3 by 1. When you bring this fraction to the to multiply, it will be inverse reciprocal. So 4 into 3 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. So g of 1 by 3 is 17. H of x is 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 17. Then 2 raised to x will be, if you bring 1 onto the left hand side, minus 1. So 2 raised to x is 16. This can be written as, try to write 16 with base 2. So 2 raised to 4 will be 16. So when the bases are same, the powers will also be equal. So x value is 4. Question number 20. Factorize completely 2m plus 3p minus 8km minus 12kp. Now this is regrouping concept here. You have to take the find out the like terms and take them. So I'll take 2m minus 8km plus 3p minus 12kp. First two terms take 2m as common. So 2m is 2m into 1 is 2m minus 2m into 4k is 8km plus take 3p common in last two terms. It is again 1 minus 4k. So 1 minus 4k is common again, which is multiplying to 2m plus 3p. This is the factorization for the given expression. Question number B, 5x square minus 20y square, you have to factorize. First of all, take 5 common in both terms. You will get x square minus 4y square in brackets. Now x square minus 4y square can be written as a square minus b square. First term is x square as it is, but this can be written as 2y whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. A is x, b is a is x, b is 2y. So 5 into x plus 2y, a plus b, into x minus 2y, a minus b. So 5 into x plus 2y into x minus 2y. Question number 21. The nth term of a sequence is an square plus bn minus 4. The first term is minus 3 and the second term is 2. Find the value of a and the value of b. Okay, so first term is minus 3. So n should be taken as 1. So a into 1 square plus b into 1 minus 4 should be minus 3. If you take, simplify it, a into 1 square is a, b into 1 is b, minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Bring minus 4 to the right hand side, you get minus 3 plus 4. A plus b is minus 3 plus 4. So a plus b will be finally 1. So this is equation 1. Same way, take the second term, n is equal to 2, a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 4 is equal to 2. Simplify it, you get 4a plus 2b minus 4 is equal to 2. Keeping 4a plus 2b on the left hand side, bring 4 onto the right hand side, it gets added, 2 plus 4. This gives you 4a plus 2b is equal to 6. I want to take 2 common from this, so I'll get 2a plus b is equal to 3. Now you can take 2a plus b is equal to 3 as the second equation. Subtract now to get the values. Subtract 1 from 2. So it is 2a plus b is equal to 3. A plus b is equal to 1. I am subtracting, so all the signs will be changed. 2a minus a is a, b minus b will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So we got a as 2. Substitute this in the equation. In equation 1. So 2 plus b is equal to 1. This gives you b is equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So b is minus 1. Question 22. OA is equal to x, OB is equal to y. Vector OA, position vector of A is x. Vector OB, position vector of B is y. Position vector of OD is 3 by 7x plus 4 by 7y. So this is the position vector of D. They are asking us to calculate ratio AD is to DB. So to find the ratio, we will have to find out AD first. So what is AD? AD is equal to OAO from A to O plus OD. So AO will be negative of x and OD will be, which is given, 3 by 7x plus 4 by 7y. Taking x terms together, we can take minus 7x plus 3x by 7 plus 4 by 7y, which is equal to minus 7x plus 3x is minus 4 by 7x plus 4 by 7y. Next we will find out dB. dB is equal to DO plus OB, which is DO is negative of OD, which is 3 by 7x plus 4 by 7y plus y. So taking negative inside the bracket, 3 by 7x minus 4 by 7y plus y. This will be minus 3 by 7x, and combining y and y the like terms, you will have to, I will keep plus here and take the minus to 4y. So minus 4y plus 7y, because LCM is 7, you get here minus 3 by 7x plus 4 by 3 by 7y. Minus 4y plus 7y is 3 by 7y. Now when you see this 2 AD and DB, if I take if I take 4 common here, I will get the same thing. So this is the multiple of 4 and this is multiple of 3. So minus, if I take 4 common, I get minus x by 7 plus y by 7 for AD. And for dB, I get, if I take 3 common, I get same minus x by 7 plus 5 by 7 as dB. So AD is to dB will be 4 is to 3. Question number 23. The diagram shows a solid metal shape made from a cone and a hemisphere. So this is the hemisphere and this is the cone, both with radius 6.2 centimeters. The total surface area of the solid is 600 centimeters square. Calculate the slant height L of the cone. The total surface area, the surface area of the sphere with radius r is A is equal to 4 pi square. The curved surface area A of cone with radius r and slant height L is A is equal to pi rl. So here we will have to add these two, but we have to take, for instead of sphere we have to take the hemisphere. So for hemisphere we have to do 4 pi r square by 2 plus pi rl. that is 600 centimeter square. Now just simplify this, you get 2 pi r square plus pi rl is equal to 600 centimeters. So here taking pi r common, if I take pi r common I get 2 r plus l in brackets which is 600. Now substitute the value of r here, r is 6.2, so pi into 6.2 into 2 into 6.2 plus l is equal to 600. 2 into 6.2 if you keep as it is plus l on the left hand side, if I bring pi into 6.2 it gets divided. Then keeping l on the left hand side, if I bring 2 into 6.2 on the right hand side, it gets subtracted. Just do this in calculator. 600 by pi into 6.2 minus 2 into 6.2, 18.4041. So this will be 18.404 centimeter. If I round to 2 decimal places, 18.40 centimeters. That's all students. This was the last question of this paper. See you in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel. I'm coming up with new series of vectors where I'll be discussing some difficult questions related to vectors. See you. Bye bye.